Oh, this is a ping pong racket that I 3D printed? And what about its size? How about its size? The size of the ping pong racket I bought is basically the same. It seems that the thickness is slightly thinner. The thickness seems to be a little thinner. Oh, it's okay. Then stick the handle of the racket like this. Here it just feels that the board of this 3D printing is a little bit not flesh. Smoke balls feel that the plastic board is slightly less elastic. It should be operated with this glue. The brush. One of the failures is that I didn't expect that the glue on the rubber sheet itself can't stick to the plastic racket. Then I use this 502 glue. Then fix it. It's a finished product. Let's try it out tomorrow. To be honest, I still think of this 3D printed one as a pie. The handle of this bead is more ergonomic. It fits my hand better. Try changing this plastic plate below. How does it feel to use this table tennis racket printed with 3D? That is, it vibrates more strongly when hitting the ball. Maybe it's because the material I used is relatively soft. On the other hand, I think it is printed in 3D. It's still more convenient. You can design the shape you like or the style of table tennis racket you like. With the right materials and the right methods, it should be possible to produce more interesting works.